All in all, from my first site visit to completion, this project took 12 weeks and 5 site visits to complete. The first site visit was my initial survey where I discovered that my client had a looped supply. The second site visit that I attended was to meet the DNO, my client and his neighbour in order to discuss and agree what works would be carried out and what the timescale would be. Site visit 3 was me just popping back to take a look at the excavations and do a little video for you. The fourth site visit was me returning just to show you that the excavations had now been complete. And the final site visit was the day that I completed the Zappi installation. Week 12 and we are back on the unlooping job. So last time I was here, the cable jointing had been done and the groundwork had been put back down, but I couldn't get access to the property and we didn't know exactly what SSE had done. So today we are going to find out. Also, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll leave a link in the description below for previous videos, which is a build up to this whole unlooping job. If one of the things that is concerning you about getting your property unlooped is whether the groundworks will be put down as it was found, I can vouch for this, it's pretty good. So this concrete is being done to match the best they can, and the driveway next door, you'd never know that it's been lifted. So as you can see, now at this we have a new cutout installed with only one cable going in the bottom of it. The other cable was pulled out by the DNO, so that's great. We also have a new meter, new isolator, new Henley block, new earth block, CT for the Zappi, new separate consumer unit for the Zappi, and the EV Ultra cable out of the bottom of the consumer unit ran all the way round to the charging position. I've then used the D-line fire rated cable supports to support my EV Ultra cable from the consumer unit to the Zappi charger. And then finally, after 12 weeks, we have the white tethered Zappi installed, tested and commissioned. Thanks for watching, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.